This is what track days are all about. No traffic, no limits, just you, your machine, and faster riders ahead. Today I'm chasing superbikes, and I'm not backing off. I spot them up ahead, a group of superbikes. These guys have serious pace, bigger power, faster on the straights. My only hope is in the corners. After a couple of corners and heavy braking zones, I was able to close the gap a bit. But given the power deficit, I was not close enough nor in a safe situation to execute a move successfully. The Ducati in front of me is quick, seriously quick. I have no chance in the straight. Again, let's see what we can do in that very technical section. I was really enjoying this session. However, I noticed that my camera was getting loose, and it was getting looser by the moment. Unfortunately for me, there was a curve coming up, and I had to stabilize the camera with my left hand while keeping my line and throttle control with my right hand. It was a very unfortunate event with my camera. I was really enjoying riding with these guys. They pushed me. I like to think that I pushed them as well. But sometimes the smartest move is knowing when to stop. Then reset, fix the issue, and then come back stronger into the next session. This time, I'm out with a rider who's got race experience, as you will be able to tell very shortly He's quite smooth, confident, and very fast. And that KTM is not your run-of-the-mill KTM. Yeah, no, I quickly figured out that this is not going to be easy to keep up with him. The bike is quick, but the rider is also quite quick. But we'll see what we can do. happened again. My camera's stick got loose, smacked me in the helmet, and yeah, that was it. I had to call it, obviously for safety reasons.
Bye.
Yeah, so that's the end of the video. I really enjoyed riding with these gents. Especially enjoyed riding with the KTM gent. Yeah, I was pushed to my limits. I think I really unlocked another level of riding from this experience. I felt the sessions were very fast, obviously, but I felt that they were fast but in a safe and controllable way. I didn't necessarily feel in danger at any point, and yeah, this was a very great learning experience. I know what to work on in my next track day now. So if you really enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, comment. I'd really like to hear your thoughts on this video or on anything really.